Welcome back, this is Kiran and you are watching Kiran Sketch Vlogs. Today, we will sketch Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Electrified transportation is the way of the future and Ferrari gets on board by rolling out SF90 Stradale, a plug-in hybrid with sleek styling, blistering performance and of course, a gas-electric powertrain. There is only one trim offered for 2020 Ferrari SF90 Stradale, but it comes packed with enough amenities to make it a satisfying pick for the shopper in this price range. 20-inch silver accented wheels connects the car to the pavement. This Ferrari's aluminum body is embellished with the rocker panels, a wing spoiler and a black grille. When the sun dips below the horizon, the car's adaptive and fully automatic LED headlights are on hand to illuminate the way. The list of standard exterior features also includes rain-sensing windshield wiper, rear fog lamps, LED tail lights, and heated power folding side view mirrors. When it comes to tech features, SF90 Stradale comes with Bluetooth wireless phone connectivity and integrated navigation system among its list of standard equipments. And here is my favorite part. For SF90 Stradale, the power comes from the massive V8 and 3 electric motors. The 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 generates a mighty 769 horsepower on its own, and the trio of electric motors provides an additional 217 horsepower. In the end, the gas-electric powertrain generates a net output of 986 horsepower and around 800 Nm of torque. The power is sent to all four wheels, making this the first mid-engine Ferrari with all-wheel drive. The power is transmitted through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Ferrari estimates that this coupe can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. The EPA hasn't provided the fuel economy estimates for the 2020 Ferrari SF90 Stradale, but this car is able to travel up to 16 miles using its 3 electric motors. The SF90 Stradale's interior is fairly sedate, with the yellow prancing horse logo adding a splash of colors on the center of the steering wheel. This 2-seat coupe is home to sculpted dashboard with fluid lines that mimics the flowing design of the car's exterior. With high-performance exotics, the cargo space is very low. This is certainly the case with SF90 Stradale, which roughly provides 3 cubic feet of room for your stuff. And finally, when it comes to warranty, the limited warranty covers 3 years or unlimited miles. The powertrain warranty also covers 3 years or unlimited miles. And this car do have the complimentary scheduled maintenance that covers over 7 years or unlimited miles. Enough, it's sketching time. And if you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel to watch the upcoming videos, and click the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload a video. And until next time, keep sketching. Bye bye.